Hello everyone, warm welcome to all. So today we will discuss some questions of exercise 7.3. So look at very first question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? So we will use here permutation formula because there are 9 digits 1 to 9, there are 9 digits and we have to take 3 digit at a time. So and repetition is not allowed, so we will use formula 9p3. 9p3. Now come to second question. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? आपको 4-digit नंबर बनाना है और कोई भी डिजिट रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. सो देर आर, वी नो दैट देर आर 10 डिजिट्स 0 to 9, there are 10 digits. So there are 10 digits from 0 to 9 and 4-digit number आपके पास क्या कैसे बनेगा 10p4. But here is one problem. This includes those numbers which have 0 in the beginning. It means thousands place. जब आप ये digits बनाओगे तो हो सकता है thousands place पर this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is 1000. हो सकता है 1000 place पर आपका 0 आ गया हो. So वो तो 3-digit नंबर्स बन जाएंगे. सो वी विल टेक दीज डिजिट्स बट इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे वो डिजिट जिसमें 0 बिगिनिंग में आ रहा है. सो वट इफ 0 इज एट बिगिनिंग देन देर आर वी हैव टू मेक 3-digit नंबर फ्रॉम अदर 9 क्योंकि 0 तो यहाँ फिक्स हो गया. बाकी 9 में से आपको 3-digit नंबर बनाना है तो क्या आएगा 9p3. But which formula you will apply 9p3 and 0 is fixed here. So 0 in the beginning, so 3-digit number out of 9 digits will be 9p3. So 4-digit numbers क्या बनेंगे 10p4 minus 1. 1 means 0 is fixed at this place, so this is one way, this is according to one way क्योंकि 0 आपका यहाँ fix हो गया तो 1 this is filled by one way and rest of 9p3. 9 में से आपने 3-digit नंबर बनाए हैं सो 9p3. सो यू विल डू दिस क्वेश्चन बाय दिस वे. अदरवाइज यू कैन सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग सिंपल fundamental principle of counting. So 10p4 solve it and 9p3 solve. We will get 10p4 10 factorial upon 10 minus 4 factorial. 9p3 means 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3 factorial. So 10 factorial upon 6 factorial, it is 9 factorial minus upon 6 factorial. So 10 को हम 6 factorial तक लेके आएंगे तभी हम 6 factorial कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial and denominator is also 6 factorial. Cancel these. You will get 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Here 9 factorial we can write 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial because denominator is 6 factorial. Cancel these. Then this will be 9 into 8 into 7. Here 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. You can solve separately or we can take common here. 9 into 8 into 7 common. What is left here? 10. Here 1. So 10 minus 1 9. So after multiplication we will get 4 5 3 6. 4 5 3 6. Now come to third question. In third question, how many 3-digit even numbers can be made by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7? So here foundation there are 6 digits and digits no digit is repeated. So repetition is not allowed और हमें even digit number बनाने हैं 3-digit even number and we have to use 6 digits. So in this question digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7 and even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. Here 3 even numbers 2, 4 and 6. So third place can be filled by 3 ways. जो आपका लास्ट प्लेस है वंस प्लेस है इसको कितने वे से फिल कर सकते हैं 3 वेज से बिकॉज 2, 4 और 6 ही आ सकता है यहाँ पर इवन नंबर में अदरवाइज इट विल बी ओड. सो 2, 4 और 6 में से एक नंबर आएगा तो इट मीन्स थर्ड प्लेस वंस प्लेस कैन बी फिल्ड बाई 3 वेज. वंस प्लेस कैन बी फिल्ड बाई 3 वेज एंड यहाँ पर अगर आपका 2 आ जाता है तो इन दोनों में से किसी पर 2 नहीं आएगा. सपोज यहाँ 4 आ जाता है तो इन दोनों में से किसी पर 4 नहीं आएगा. इफ़ 6 इज़ हियर देन इन दोनों पर 6 नहीं आएगा. सो वी विल फिल दीज 2 डिजिट्स एंड वी हैव जस्ट 5 डिजिट्स हियर. So this will be filled by first and second place can be filled by 5p two ways, 5p two ways. So 3-digit even number are 5p2 into 3. Okay, so 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2 factorial into 3. After solving we will get answer 60. Now come to question number 4. 4 you will try. Now question number 5. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? It means आपके पास 8 persons हैं और हमें कितने, in how many ways we choose a चेयरमैन एंड वाइस चेयरमैन, हमें एक चेयरमैन चूज़ करना है और एक वाइस चेयरमैन, और एक पर्सन को एक से ज़्यादा पोजीशन नहीं मिलेंगी. सो दैट मीन्स रेपिटेशन इज़ नॉट अलाउड. सो दैट मीन्स chairman can be chosen in 8 ways because there are 8 persons. So 8 person में से कोई भी एक पर्सन चेयरमैन की पोजीशन पर आ सकता है, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ आर 7. तो वाइस चेयरमैन कैन बी चोजन बाई 7 ways. So total number of ways will be 8 into 7, that is 56. Okay, now question number 6. In this question, n minus 1 p3 ratio np4 is equal to 1:9. आपको यहाँ दिस रेशियो इक्वल टू दिस गिवन है, आपको n की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. फाइंड n. सो फर्स्टली वी विल सॉल्व इट. n minus 1 p3, वी विल अप्लाई फॉर्मूला npr. what is formula of npr? n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 minus 3, because it is n and here is r. So n minus 1 minus 3 factorial, and denominator will be n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial is equal to 1/9. It is n minus 1 factorial and it is n minus 4 factorial. Denominator is n factorial, n minus 4 factorial is equal to 1/9. n minus 4 factorial cancel with n minus 4 factorial. Then we will get n minus 1 factorial upon n. n minus 1 factorial upon n factorial. It is 1/9. And we know that n is greater than n minus 1. So n factorial को हम n minus 1 factorial तक लेकर आएंगे. So n को हम लिख सकते हैं n factorial को n into n minus 1 factorial. So n minus 1 factorial cancel. What is left? 1/n is equal to 1/9. That means n is equal to 9. n is equal to 9. So now come to question number 9. In question number 9, how many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday? मंडे से आपने मंडे में जितने लेटर्स हैं उनका यूज़ करके आपको वर्ड्स बनाने हैं विद और विदाउट मीनिंग, एज्यूमिंग दैट नो लेटर इज़ रिपीटेड. इट मीन्स नो रेपिटेशन इज़ अलाउड. इफ़ 4 letters are used at a time. Firstly we will make the words by using Monday. Okay, so there are 6 letters here. There are 6 letters and we have to take 4 letters at a time. So we will use permutation formula. There are 6 letters in a Monday, then 4 letters are used at a time. That means number of words will be 6p4. 6p4 because 6 letters are there and we have to use 4 letters at a time. So 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial. After solving we will get 360. This is 360. Now in second part, all letters are used at a time. आपको सारे letters use करने हैं, यानी 6 letters हैं और 6 ही use करने हैं. Then we will apply formula 6p6. After solving we will get 720. After solving we will get 720. Now come to third part. All letters are used but first letter is a vowel. आपको कह रहा है कि सारे letters use करने हैं but first letter is a vowel. And we know that there are 2 vowels in Monday, O and A. O and A. So in Monday there are 2 letters O and A. So first place can be filled by, there are 6 letters, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and first place should be vowel. First place क्या होना चाहिए? Vowel. So it can be filled by 2 ways because O and A are 2 vowels here. So first place can be filled by 2 ways. and rest of our 1 2 3 4 5, we have to fill 5 letters, and we have to fill 5 places, and we have 5 letters. That means 5p5. That means remaining 5 places can be filled by 5p5, and this is equal to 5 factorial. After solving, you will get 120. So total number of words beginning with vowel are 2 into 120, because first letter fixed by first place can be fixed by 2 ways, and rest of are 120. So 2 into 120, this is 240. Clear? Now come to question number 10.